All right, ladies and gentlemen, we here with a nighttime session. As you can see, I got a new little Duracell fun stick provided by my boy himself. First thing first, before we get into anything, I'm gonna shout out my black queens first. You know they holding shit down, but nonetheless, let's get into it. It's a lot of hate over here about the promags, ETS, and shit like that. So I wanted to see what the hype was about myself. Here goes nothing. I don't know, ladies. First shot, jammer. Let's give it another go. Hopefully, it's just my hand placement. I don't know, y'all. Ain't looking too good.